Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to clean a discarded clamp. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including maintenance, DIY, and other random projects. Although the clamp in this video was discarded by someone else, it was interesting for me to keep. The clamp has a screw-type movable jaw, quick-release lever, and is made mostly of metal. The clamp was usable, but as seen it was a little dirty and too rusty to handle, especially without gloves. This is a quick video documenting how I cleaned it. The initial materials were WD-40, steel wool, and eye protection for safety. I have WD-40 in the spray bottle in this video and it is the only chemical used. To begin this process, I sprayed with WD-40 and scrubbed with steel wool. This cleaned the dirt off of the surface and may have been good enough to clean light surface rust, but was not effective for the rust on the bar of the clamp. To help with the rust removal, I used a Dremel rotary tool. With much more sanding tools than grinding tools, I wanted to start with the sanding tool first. A quick note. WD in WD-40 stands for water displacement. Its primary function is not rust removal but to displace water from materials such as metal. I chose to use WD-40 to help remove the dirt and rust particles away from the surface of the metal. It was also commonly available. It is also important to note that rust can also be removed using vinegar or specialized rust removal products. I had neither on hand at the time of recording this video. The sanding tool was more effective than steel wool, but the size of the grinding tool would allow me to get in smaller areas. Although not a total restoration, the goal of this process was to clean the tool enough to become usable. WD-40 was again used to help clean and remove loose rust off the surface. The bench was wiped clean to help display the tool without picking up the dirt again. As seen, the tool cleaned up well. More time could have been spent cleaning the threads with the wire brush, but they have no problem with movement. The clamp was wiped down to clean the loose dirt off for display purposes and comparison in this video. As seen, I later sprayed it down again with WD-40. It will be allowed to sit until dry like many tools recently cleaned or tools that I know will be stored for a while before usage. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.